Alright, welcome back, Bug. This time we're going to teach you about melee robots, so the ones with the little weapons. First, we go into a little program, and unlike before, we won't be able to detect if there's monsters in front of us with detect. So what we do is we detect with turtle.attack. And there is something a robot attacks, otherwise it doesn't. See, and we can kill our monsters. So let's say there's nothing there, and we try to attack in front of us. Attack just says there's nothing to attack here. Let's say we don't have a weapon and we try to attack, says you have no tool. But it'll also tell you that too. Um, let's see. Um, let's put a monster in there real fast. All right, and take a weapon and see what happens. So if we try to attack, it says no to attack with. So we gotta give it a weapon to actually attack. All right. There's other options. We can attack down and above us. So attack down. See? And then we can also attack nothing to attack there. That is really weird. So, oh, nothing to attack here. So why do we have nothing there? Total. Oh, because there's not, that's for in front of us. So we didn't put the right function up, and that's how we can tag up. Alright, cool. Now we learned how to use our robot to attack in front of us, above us, and below us, and we know that we need to have a weapon to actually do that. Let's see. What else can we do here? Actually, I think that's pretty much it. See, let's do an if else statement, or if statement, sorry. If total equals true, so before, like when we did the detection, we can do that again, but we would have to do it with if turtle.attack, and then see if it's true, and then we would attack. So turtle.attack, and then end, then start, enter. Okay, so we can attack. And we can keep on doing this until we kill it. Awesome. All right. See, let's say it takes about 2 to 3 hits to kill your monster, right? So let's introduce very shortly, but we'll introduce conditionals and operators a little later with a lot more examples. We're going to introduce what's it called? Not a for loop. Actually, yes, a for loop. Okay, so what a for loop does is that it counts from 1 to another amount, and then it does that action until it's complete. So let's do that. So let's create our monster. Then we're going to do for I equals 1. That's our counter. That's where we start. Then comma, where we want to finish up, which is, hey, we only want to attack 3 times. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, right? And then do our attack, turtle dot attack, and then end. That's how we end our for loop. Then press enter. Oh, we have nothing to attack. So what we do is create another monster and then press enter. And we kept attacking it until it died. Let's do a monster down here, oh no, it's gonna die really fast, so we can't show you that. Okay, that should be a little better. All right, and we're gonna do another for loop. Oh no, it's dying. Okay, I guess we can't show you this example. We'll show you a for loop later, but it's essentially the same thing. So for I equals 1, where you start your counter, comma, where you want it to end 4. So that means you attack or you did certain movement 3 times. Do, and then attack up, and then end your for loop with that. We can't really do anything because there's nothing there. So let's create our monster real fast and then attack. Oh, we got it. All right. All right, we're going to stop here, but that's essentially how you attack below you, above you, in front of you, and how you can use things like if statements and for loops, which the first one is we can detect if there's something there, and then we attack as well. And then the second, the for loop, it allows us to make attacks more than just once, like 3, 4, 5 times. Oh, I'll give you an example in the next video for the for loop so that we can do some movements a little easier. All right, see you in a little bit.